How to build an AI marketing automation system. Full setup tutorial. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to AI Money Lab. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build a complete AI marketing automation system from scratch. Not a list of tools, an actual step-by-step setup where I build a working system that creates content, schedules posts, sends emails, and manages social media all on autopilot. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by all the marketing tasks you need to do for your business or your clients, this video is going to show you how to put the entire thing on autopilot. And the best part? The whole system costs less than $50 a month to run. Let's get into it. Before we start, here's what we're building. A marketing automation system with 4 components. Component 1, AI content creation that generates blog posts, social media captions, and email newsletters automatically. Component 2, a scheduling system that posts to social media at optimal times without you lifting a finger. Component 3, an email automation sequence that nurtures leads and converts them into customers. Component 4, an analytics dashboard that tracks everything in one place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a system that runs your entire marketing operation with about 30 minutes of maintenance per week. Step 1. Set up your AI content engine. This is the heart of the system. You need a tool that can generate high-quality marketing content on a schedule. I use ChatGPT Plus for this, but Claude Pro works just as well. Here's how I set it up. First, I created a custom GPT, which is a feature inside ChatGPT Plus, and trained it on the brand voice and style guide for my business. You give it examples of content you've written, tell it your target audience, your tone of voice, and your key messaging pillars. Once that's set up, you can generate an entire month of content in about 10 minutes. Here's my exact workflow. Every Monday morning, I open my custom GPT and give it this prompt. Generate 5 blog post topics, 5 social media captions per platform, and 1 email newsletter for this week. Topics should focus on your niche. The GPT outputs all the content in one response. I review it, make light edits, and I have a full week of content ready in 15 minutes. The custom GPT setup takes about an hour initially, but after that, it's a 10-minute weekly task. Cost? $20 per month for ChatGPT Plus. Step 2. Automate your social media scheduling. Now that you have content, you need it to post automatically. This is where most people mess up. They generate content with AI and then manually post it everywhere. That defeats the purpose. I use a free tool called Buffer for social media scheduling, but Later and Hootsuite work just as well. Here's the setup. I connect all my social media accounts to Buffer. That's LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Then I set up a posting schedule. Let's say Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9 a.m. and 2 p.m. for each platform. Every Monday, after generating my content with ChatGPT, I simply paste the captions into Buffer, attach any images, and hit schedule. Buffer handles the rest, posting at the right times, formatting for each platform, and even suggesting optimal posting times based on when my audience is most active. The key is batching. Never create and post content one at a time.
Generate a week's worth at once. Schedule it all, and then forget about it. Cost? $0 per month for Buffer's free plan, or $15 per month for the Pro plan with more accounts and analytics. Step 3. Build your email automation sequence. This is the component that most people skip, and it's the one that makes the most money. Here's why. Social media posts disappear in 24 hours. Emails sit in someone's inbox until they read them. An automated email sequence works for you 24/7, nurturing leads and converting them into customers while you sleep. I use Mailchimp for this, but ConvertKit and MailerLite are also excellent. Here's the exact sequence I built. Email 1 goes out immediately when someone joins the list. It's a welcome email that delivers the lead magnet and introduces the brand. Email 2 goes out 24 hours later. It shares a valuable tip or resource related to the lead magnet. Email 3 goes out 3 days after that. It addresses a common objection or question. Email 4 goes out 2 days later. It's a soft pitch for a product or service. Email 5 goes out 3 days after that. It's a harder pitch with social proof and a deadline. I wrote all 5 emails once using ChatGPT, loaded them into Mailchimp, and now every new subscriber goes through this sequence automatically. I get new subscribers every day from my YouTube videos and social media, and the email sequence converts about 3% of them into paying clients. Cost: $13 per month for Mailchimp's Essentials plan. Step 4. Connect everything with automation. This is where the magic happens. Instead of manually moving content between tools, you connect them so they talk to each other automatically. I use a free tool called N8N. It's like Zapier, but free and open source. Here's what I automated. When I publish a new blog post on my website, N8N automatically creates social media posts for each platform using the blog's title and key points, schedules them in Buffer, and sends a notification to my email list through Mailchimp. When someone fills out a contact form on my website, N8N automatically adds them to my email sequence in Mailchimp and sends me a Slack notification. When I upload a new YouTube video, N8N creates a social media announcement post and schedules it. The setup for each automation takes about 30 minutes, but once it's running, it works forever. I currently have 8 automations running, and they save me about 10 hours per week. Cost: $0 for N8N if you self-host, or $20 per month for N8N Cloud. Step 5. Set up your analytics dashboard. You can't improve what you don't measure. The final piece of the system is a dashboard that shows you what's working and what's not. I use a free tool called Google Looker Studio, formerly Google Data Studio, to create a single dashboard that pulls data from all my tools. My dashboard shows me total email subscribers, social media engagement rate, website traffic, email open and click rates, and revenue from the email sequence, all on one page. I check it once a week for 5 minutes and use the data to make decisions. If email open rates drop below 20%, I know my subject lines need work. If social media engagement drops, I know my content needs to be more interesting. If website traffic spikes, I look at what drove it and do more of that.
The dashboard takes about 2 hours to set up initially, but once it's connected, it updates automatically. Cost: $0. Looker Studio is completely free. All right, let's recap the entire system. Step 1, AI Content Engine, using ChatGPT Plus at $20 per month. Generates a week of content in 10 minutes. Step 2, social media scheduling with Buffer at $0 to $15 per month. Posts automatically at optimal times. Step 3, email automation sequence with Mailchimp at $13 per month. Nurtures leads and converts them 24/7. Step 4, workflow automation with N8N at $0 to $20 per month. Connects all tools and eliminates manual work. Step 5, analytics dashboard with Google Looker Studio at $0. Tracks everything in one place. Total monthly cost, $33 to $68. Total weekly maintenance time, about 30 minutes. For a system that handles content creation, social media, email marketing, and analytics, that is an absurd ROI. A human marketing team doing the same work would cost you $5,000 per month minimum. Here's the honest truth, though. This system is not set and forget. You need to review the content your AI generates. It's not perfect. You need to monitor your email sequence and optimize it over time. You need to check your analytics and adjust your strategy. But the system handles 80% of the work automatically, which means you spend your time on the 20% that actually matters: strategy, relationship building, and high-level decision-making. That's the real power of marketing automation. Not that it does everything for you, but that it frees you up to focus on the things that actually grow your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit subscribe. I post daily videos about AI tools and making money online. And if you want my free guide of 50 AI prompts that actually print money, the link is in the description. Drop a comment below telling me which part of the automation system you're going to set up first. I read every comment, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Peace.